Are available on selected panels with an indicator. When this happens, insert a
countryside, the water's so I wait up here, I just let it know.
Hey people! For those who are new here, I am Jelai. I make videos that I can explore my capabilities. In this video, let us explore the feels and reels of my experience on the island of Siargao.
I know I never felt this way. People change.
Siargao is a teardrop-shaped island in the Philippine Sea and most known as the surfing capital of the Philippines. Siargao is mainly responsible for introducing surfing to the country. Apart from surfing, Siargao is also open to other activities such as cave explorations and rock climbing. I see Siargao as a laid-back island that I will be wanting to explore and live because of its local vibe of simple life, giving you time to explore the beauty of the island slowly. I know now why a lot of foreign or city people wanted to stay here because I too have felt the love for this island. But every beauty comes an ugly truth. As I explore the island, a lot of new establishments, hotels, restaurants are emerging due to the island's popularity. The price range of food and accommodation is very hefty. If you don't know how to bargain or explore cheap eats, your money will be long gone before you know it. Make a budget and plan ahead of your travel. Good thing about the local people in the island is the problem with trash is slowly being taken care of, but not sure with the proper disposal of the sewage. There is also people who rescue street animals.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait.
Summing up my Siargao Island feels is that this island is a very beautiful place that we need to cherish so we can preserve it and experience it for a longer time. Good vibes only!